Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking discovery that could change the way you approach weight loss forever. If you've been struggling to shed those extra pounds despite dieting and exercising, this video is a must-watch. German scientists have uncovered a surprising new cause of stubborn belly fat, and it's not what you might think. A 2024 study published in Nature Medicine involving over 52,000 participants revealed a common factor among all overweight individuals: low levels of brown adipose tissue, or BAT. So what exactly is BAT, and why is it the key to burning fat? Brown adipose tissue, commonly known as brown fat, it isn't actually fat in the way you might think. Unlike white fat, which stores energy, brown fat burns calories and converts them into energy. Thanks to its densely packed mitochondria, brown fat can burn up to 300 times more calories than any other cell in your body. So even though BAT makes up a tiny fraction of your body weight, its impact on your metabolism is huge. Researchers found that skinny individuals tend to have high levels of BAT, which keeps them naturally lean, while those struggling with weight have lower levels. This discovery suggests that boosting your BAT levels could be the key to faster, more effective weight loss. Imagine turning your body into a fat-burning machine, all thanks to brown fat. So, how can you increase your brown fat levels? See why? In upcoming videos, we'll explore natural methods and lifestyle changes that can help you activate and boost your BAT, leading to a more efficient fat-burning process. For if you're ready to take your weight loss journey to the next level, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on how to boost your brown fat levels. Check out the description below for more detailed information on this fascinating discovery. Have you heard about BAT before? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's discuss how this new science could change the future of weight loss.